Hello guys and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And today I'm going to show you how to generate compelling blog post titles for tech topics using ChatGPT. Crafting catchy titles is key to attracting readers and boosting your blog's visibility. Let's get started. Creating fresh and relevant blog post titles regularly can be challenging. ChatGPT makes it easier by offering creative titles tailored to your tech niche and targeted audience. Begin by opening ChatGPT and logging in. Then type a prompt like generate 10 engaging blog post titles for a technology blog covering AI and cyber security. Be specific about your topics and audience to get the best result. ChatGPT will provide a list of catchy, SEO-friendly titles that can inspire your content creation. Examples might include titles like Top AI Trends to Watch in 2025 or How Cybersecurity is Evolving with Machine Learning. You can customize these titles further by adding your personal style or focusing on particular subtopics relevant to your readers. Using ChatGPT to brainstorm blogs, post titles saves time and helps you consistently produce content that attracts and retains the readers in the competitive tech space. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.